Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see what is AccelerateWP plugin and how to enable it in cPanel. Without wasting any time, let's roll out the intro and get into the video. This video is available in multiple languages. Go to YouTube video settings and open audio track option and choose your desired audio track. Now let's see what is AccelerateWP plugin. AccelerateWP plugin is a server-level optimization plugin and technology designed to make WordPress websites faster without requiring a manual configuration. It is largely used by hosting providers via Cloud Linux. It is designed to instantly boost site speed, reduce bounce rates, and improve SEO through smart caching and file optimizations. Now let's see how to enable the AccelerateWP plugin in the cPanel. As a first step, log into a cPanel from the SeekaHost India client area or directly from the browser. On the cPanel, scroll down and go to the section named Software. On that software section, you can see the option named AccelerateWP. Click and open it. Once it is opened, you can see your WordPress websites here. Straight to the WordPress website, you can see the settings option. Click and open it. Here, click and turn on the AccelerateWP plugin. Please note that if your WordPress website has any other cache plugins, AccelerateWP plugin can't be installed on it. To install it, you need to uninstall the conflicting plugin. Now go to the WordPress Manager by Software class option and log into a WordPress website. Once it is logged in, go to the plugins option. On the plugins page, you can see the AccelerateWP plugin. Click on the settings option and go to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see the quick actions option. The cache files option clear and preload all the cache files. The priority elements option is used to reset the settings. Now on the left side, you can see the option file optimization. Click and open it. Here you can minify the CSS and JavaScript files. On the excluded CSS file field, specify the URL of the CSS file that wants to be excluded from the minification process. And now if you scroll down to the JavaScript file section, you can see the options minify JavaScript files. Since you are the beginner, don't enable the combine JavaScript files option. You can learn about it in future. On the excluded JavaScript file section, specify the URLs of the JavaScript files that you want to exclude from the minify process. Load JavaScript for the option eliminates the render blocking JS on your website and improves your load time. In the delay JavaScript execution, delays the loading of the JavaScript file until the user instructions like scrolling or clicking it. Now on the left side, click on the media option. Here you can see the lazy load section. If you enable this option, the images, iframes and videos will be loaded only when the user interacts with it. Click on the enable for images, enable for CSS background images, enable for iframes and videos, and replace YouTube iframe with preview image. The excluded images or iframes, specify the keywords like image file name, CSS file name, CSS class domain to be excluded from this process. Image dimensions adds the width and height attributes to the images. It helps in preventing the layout shifts and improve the reading experience for your visitors. Load fonts. It will load the fonts to enhance your layout stability and optimize text-based LCP elements. Self-hosted Google fonts. If you are using the fonts from the external servers, it will download and serve the fonts directly from your server, reduces the connections to external servers and minimize font shifts. You can only use the image optimization option with the premium version. Now on the left side, click on the preload option and open it. When you enable the preload cache, this plugin will automatically direct your sitemaps and save all URLs to this database. It makes your website more faster. On the exclude URLs field, specify the URLs to be excluded from the preload feature. Preload links improves the website load time by downloading a page when user hovers over the particular link. If you want to use this option, tick the tick box and click on the Save Changes button. Now on the left side, click on the Advanced Rules option. Here you can set your cache's lifespan. Cache files older than the specified lifespan will be deleted. Now the cache lifespan is set to 10 hours. The website cache will be updated for every 10 hours. In the never cache URLs field, enter the URLs that should be excluded from the cache. On the never cache cookies field, specify your full partial IDs of the cookies that may be set in the visitor's browsers. In the never cache user agents field, enter the user agent strings that should never see cached pages of the website. In the always purged URL fields, enter the page's URL. The pages mentioned here forcefully clear the cache every time any content is updated on the page. Now on the left side, you can see the database option. Click and open it. In the closed cleanup section, you can see the revisions, auto drafts and trash to posts options. If you enable it, revisions and drafts will be permanently deleted. So please don't use it if you need your revisions or drafts. On the comments cleanup section, you can see spam comments and trash comments. It will delete all your spam and trash comments. On the transients cleanup section, you can see the all transients option. Click and enable it. Transients in WordPress are nothing but a temporary cached data stored in WP options table, which can bloat the database and slow down sites if not cleared. Enable the OptiBase table option. It will reduce overhead of the database tables. enable the schedule automatic cleanup. This option you can schedule the cleanup for your database. Note that once you run this automatic cleanup or this cleanup settings, there is no way to undo it. So before proceeding here, please take a backup of your database. Now on the left side, click on the CDN option and open it. You can also integrate your existing CDN in this plugin. If you enabled it, all the URLs of the static files will be rewritten from the CNAMEs you provide. CNAME here mentions the CDN's name. On the certify section, you can select the files which you want to be fetched and cached from the CDN. On the exclude files from CDN section, specify the URL of the files that should not get served via CDN. Now on the left side, click on the Heartbeat option and open it. Disable the Heartbeat option if you are using the shared hosting, because it creates a pulse between the browser and the server using admin-ajax.php typically every 15 to 16 seconds to enable real-time features. So it will consume more of your server's resource. Now on the left side, click on the add-ons option. Here, enable the user cache option if you need to create a dedicated set of cache files for each login WordPress user. Now on the left side, click on the tools option and open it. Here you can export and download your configured settings. Once the file is downloaded, you can also import the same file here to store the same settings. On the left side, you can see the last option named About. If you click it, you can see the About information of the plugin. That's all my friends. If you have any doubts in the information mentioned in this video, please contact our SeekaHost India support team. They will assist you on that. If you find this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant update about the videos, please press the bell icon.